Hello, welcome to Dr. Longshaw's Bird Sanctuary. I'm building up my flock again. The rainbow lorikeets all disappeared suddenly a few months ago. Today I've got 10. That's more than I've had in months. I figure that they've been poaching them, trapping them, throwing a net over them, various ways. You see, they become tame. They become tame and come down to the ground. And they were flying in flocks of 40 or 50 birds. Now I'm seeing little groups of 4 or 5 birds flying together. And I had a flock of over 100 rainbow lorikeets and scaly-breasted lorikeets. And all of a sudden, over a single day, they disappeared, or a few days. The sudden decrease was in a single day. So I figure that was about 7 months ago. But they disappeared several times. I built the flock back up again and then they disappeared. And Woolworths sell parrot seed. I feed them with bread. I gave them a choice of parrot seed or bread and they preferred the bread. The bird that liked the parrot seed was the scrub turkey. And the manarinas like the bread and don't eat the seeds at all. I miss the birds when they were not here. They're very good company. I watched a documentary in the 1970s of how they were packing these birds into suitcases and sending them overseas, and most of them would die on the way, but if 1 or 2 survived, they'd make their money because they sell for several $1,000s each overseas. The pet suppliers. So I reported this to the police for the 6th time. This time I rang Police Link, Crime Stoppers, and they listened to what I said, but they weren't interested. I also, before that, rang the Brisbane City Council and spoke to the Tui Forest team leader, project team leader, by the name of Nathan. And he was very concerned about it, about the sudden disappearance of the birds. And he suggested that I contact the police. So I also contacted the mayor's office, and the mayor's office asked me to put it in writing. So I had to wait a few months to build up the parrots again. Thanks for watching Dr. Romich's Bird Sanctuary.